All right, I got a special treat in the garage today. Haha! It's not mine. It's not mine. But we're on a test drive and we decided to put it in the garage to see if it was going to fit. We knew it wouldn't because we measured it, but I wanted to see actually how big it was because, you know, it's hard to really know until you physically get a thing here. So here we are. Buckle up, Rivian ears. There's lots happening in the Rivian world. First, with the arrival of dozens of new R1Ts at the Denver Service Center and other places around the country, as we've heard, there's a new and exciting feeling of movement. During the small open house last week, we got to tool around with the R1T a bit and got to see some colors I hadn't yet seen, like this forest green. And then there was the moment when Brian Gaze gave Oliver the bunny ears. Love that dude. And I did finally get a test drive in this beautiful white R1T. I will say that the drive was spectacular, and it did somehow exceed my very high expectations. For example, here's the point when I really hit the pedal and put my head in the chair. Oh my goodness. What? Like, that was a different sensation I'd ever felt before. What? Kind of scared myself a bit. As you know, there have been many excellent reviews of the R1T, and I'm not going to rehash them here, but I do want to point out one thing in particular that I haven't seen in other videos, which is the new and very useful bird's eye view, just released by Rivian. The first thing we did on our test drive is to put the R1T in our garage. And you can see the bird's eye view, which is really great. There's the wall next to me, and the fence and the trash cans there, and then here's the edge.
So the wall, and then the trash cans. But it's hard
and
to
then here's
see.
the edge. Now I'm gonna crank it, and there's our friends that we don't want to run over.
Let's run them over.
And then we straighten it out and straight back. That bird's eye view is super useful. Look at the back.
Oh yeah.
Back bumper. How much space do I have back there?
You have about 2 feet. About 10 inches. Right there, stop.
Yeah, because I'm now on a bump. Okay, good.
Down.
Well, it sticks out about, I don't know, 2 feet, 2.5, and I'm right at the very back edge. So, looks like we're gonna need a new garage. All around, it was an amazing experience. In a word, the R1T is solid, in a very good way. As I've said before, it's as if Rivian knew my family and built a vehicle just for us, and built it very well. It's rugged yet city-worthy, and there's nothing about the vehicle that feels like a compromise. And like I pointed out before, the people we met were all very cool. There's a certain sincerity and passion that comes through, and that sincerity has a sense of goodness to it as well. So I'm looking forward to great things from Rivian, and I can't wait to get behind the wheel again. So Oliver and I are in the back seat. Robin's driving. Everything's safe, don't worry. And there's plenty of room back here. I have, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches. I could do a road trip in this.